Hey everyone, are you ready for some good news?
It's here again.
It's that time of the year, a season where we give our young ones an opportunity to free education.
Dom Global Support Foundation has a special offer for you and your kids, the 2023 free summer lesson. That's right, you heard it here first. A free summer lesson for your ward in 5 different locations across Enugu and Nasarawa states. Classes are available for nursery, primary and secondary sections.
You don't want to miss this opportunity to give your child the best education possible.
The summer lesson will run from July 31st to September 1st, 2023.
All you have to do is register your ward on site of any of the venues listed below. Ako, Etiti local government Enugu state.
Imezi-Owa, Ezeagu local government Enugu state.
Eha-Amufu, Isuzo local government area Enugu state.
Ugbenetu, Enugu East local government Enugu state. Area 1 Masaka Karu local government Nasarawa state.
Hurry up and register now because the slots are limited
and the demand is high.
The summer lesson is 100% free and open to
all children. For more information, visit our social media pages or our website: Facebook
DGS_Foundation,
Twitter
DGS_Foundation,
TikTok
DGS_Foundation,
YouTube
Dom Global Support Foundation, our website www.dgsf.com.ng. Don't miss this chance to give your child a bright future.
Register for 2023 free summer lesson today and let
Dom Global Support Foundation
help you achieve your dreams. For more inquiries, you can call
+234 806 1235986 or
08064096700. Email us at
dgs2003.foundation@gmail.com.
Thank you.